Good morning, children. Welcome back to your maths session. And this is your grade 1 maths. The chapter is data handling. So now you are going and know about some messages about data. Shall we move on to chapter? Let's go. Okay, children. Now you just look at this picture which is displaying on your screen. You just see here. This is the scenery which is made up of some shapes, isn't it? So the shapes names is basically the four shapes is displayed here. That is the squares and also your circles, triangle, rectangle. I'm right. So now shall we move on how to collect the data from this scenery? That is, you have to separate that how many squares is there like that. Can you understand? So now you're going to separate this. So first of all, I just calculate how many square is there. Okay. So the windows of the house is square. So that is 2 windows. At the top of the house, you have a 5 squares almost. So after the 2, you have a 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So totally you have a 7 squares. So I just write here 7 squares. Okay. And next shapes. Now we are going to count how many rectangle is there. Okay. So rectangles. So 7 square we calculated. So rectangle means opposite sides are equal. Almost the square is made up of the rectangle in shape, isn't it? So listen, the house is the one rectangle. At the top layer 2, 3 and 4. And now the stem of the stem of trees is a rectangle in shape. That is your 5, 6, 7, 8 and the main door of house is 9. So totally you have a how many rectangles? 9 rectangles is present here. I just write here 9 rectangles. Okay. After that you just calculate how many circles is present. Can you understand? So I just select the color of pen. Okay. That is okay. Now you just see the picture how many square circle is there. The center picture is look like a cat. The cat is made up of the with the shape that is circle. The ears of the cat is 1 and 2, 3 is a body and face is 4 and also the bird's face. The head portion of the bird is circle, that is 5, 6 and 7. And the sun is there. The sun shape is there and inner shape is a circle in shape, that is 8. So totally you have 8 circles. So now you are going to calculate how many that is a triangle is there. There are more triangles present in this shape. So calculate first. We can calculate from the tree. That is 1, 2, 3, 4 and the mountain, that is 5, 6 and the leg of the cat, 2 legs, 7, 8. Okay. The totally you have here 8. Let's come for the shape sun. We just see sun alone. So how many circles is made with the sun? After the 8 you have a 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, so now just 14 after the 15, 16. Now come for the feathers, that is the wings of a birds. Here 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 and 22. Wow, it's the maximum number, isn't it? All the four shapes, the triangle is maximum number is displayed. Now we are going to put a data in a table. How many number of squares is there? There is a 7 in number. And how many rectangles? 9 rectangles are present, 8 circles and 22 triangles. From this given data, you can easily observe which shape is least in number and which is occurs maximum in number. That is more in numbers. So the triangles are maximum in number and circles are least in number. So that's why the data is very useful to segregate the things from the groups. Okay, shall we move to next? Now you just observe this picture. Is given the data collection of some trees. That is different kinds of trees is there. So now I'm going to just point out here. The trees names is apple, peach, guava and pear. Now listen the number of trees. The most important things is one tree is represent to 10 trees. That is each one is standing for a tens. So now you calculate easily. So this is a tens in number and this is 20 and 30. So apple trees are 30 in numbers. Now you just move on to peach. So this is also your 10, 20, 30, 40. So this is a 40 in a number. And let's come to the guava. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. So this is your 50 in number. So finally the pear, that is you have only the 10 in numbers, because they each tree represent the 10 trees, the tens representing. Okay, so shall we count it at like a tens? So this is 20 in number. Now usually observe this data, isn't it? So you have a 13 apple trees and 14 peach trees, 15 guava and also your 20. So from this data you can easily observe which is maximum in number and which is minimum in numbers. So the maximum number is, that is your guava, and the minimum one is pear. So the least one 20 and maximum is 50. Okay children, now you are going to fill out this worksheet. This is displayed on your NCERT book. So now they are given some names here, and we have to calculate the number of letters present in each name. So some names are Salma. First name is Salma. In Salma, how many letters they formed? That is a 5 in letters. So is ALMA. That is 5 in this. Okay. So I just write here for Salma you have a 5. And next second name, that is Joseph. Joseph you have a JOSEPH. That is 6 in a number. And next Arun. Arun is only the 4 letters. So you just write here 4. And next Chintu, CHI here. Chintu, CHINTU. That is totally it have a 6 in letters. Okay. And Geeta, Geeta, GEETHA. That is 5 in letters. And Hasha, Hasa. That is 4. And Subbu. Subbu is representing the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is there. And Hamad. Hamad is 5. He is also 5 in it. You just think your name. You just think your name, how many letters in your name. Okay. And Ravi, finally, Ravi has a 4. So now you are going to answer the questions which is comes under. Just listen. The first question is, how many letters have how many names have 4 letters? So I just have a Ravi is a 4-letter word name, and also Hasa and Arun. So totally there are 3 numbers, that is 3 names or 4 in letters. So I just write here 3. And next listen. And second question they are asking how many names have a 5 letters. 5 letters the names. You just see Hamad is a 5 letter, and Subbu also the 5 letters, and Geeta 5 letters, and who is that? Joseph, no, Salma is a 5 letters word. So 4 names or 5 in letters. And second next question is your how many names have a 6 letters, that is this 6 letters. So now you're going to calculate the 6 letters name. What are the 6 letters name you have to calculate? So okay, there is a 3 names in 4 letters, and how many letters are for 5 letters your calculator? What Hamad, Subbu and Geeta, Salma. I'm right. So four names. Now 6 letter names. So 6 letters names one the Chintu. Chintu special is the 6 letters, and Joseph. Joseph is a 6. It is the only the 2 persons having a 6 letters name. Okay. So now you can easily calculate the data. The total how many numbers is there. Can you understand? So now the 3 in 4 letters and 5. And second question they are asking how many names have a 5 letters. 5 letters the names. You just see Hamad is a 5 letter, and Subbu also the 5 letters, and Geeta 5 letters, and who is that? Joseph, no, Salma is a 5 letters word. So 4 names or 5 in letters. And second next question is your how many names have a 6 letters, that is this 6 letters. So now you're going to calculate the 6 letters name. What are the 6 letters name you have to calculate? So okay, there is a 3 names in 4 letters, and how many letters are for 5 letters your calculator? What Hamad, Subbu and Geeta, Salma. I'm right. So four names. Now 6 letter names. So 6 letters names one the Chintu. Chintu special is the 6 letters, and Joseph. Joseph is a 6. It is the only the 2 persons having a 6 letters name. Okay. So now you can easily calculate the data. The total how many numbers is there. Can you understand? Now you just observe the questions in given box. How many times yes comes in or names taken together? So all the names, how many yeses is present, you have to calculate that. Okay. So now you just move to the name list. Afterwards you calculate. In Salma you have a 1 yes, and also Joseph you have a 2. Arun there is no S is there, and Chintu also there is no S. Geeta no S is there. Asa that is 3 in number, and Subbu there is our 4, and only the 4 S is there. I'm right. Is 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is no S in Ahmed and Ravi. So shall we write it on that? Can you understand? So you just write there. How many S is present altogether? You just write over this. Here you have to write this. So 4 S is present. So next question, you know how many times A comes in all the names taken together. So get ready to calculate the letter A from all the names. So first name Salmas, there is a 2A is present. 1, 2. And Joseph, there is no A. Arun, you have a 3. And Geeta 4. Asa is I have the 5 and 6 in number. And Hamad, you have a 7, 8. In Ravi only 1A, that is a 9 in numbers. Okay, so therefore totally A is 9 times present in all the names. Can you understand? So you just answer over here. This is a question. Okay, so shall we write here? There is a 4 A's present in all the names and a 9 A is present in all the names. So now you are clearly understand the concept what is the data handling. You just gather some information what regarding the questions. Okay, so next shall we move to the next one, that is your assignment. I just give one assignment for this. Just listen. Calculate data, record your family numbers name list and count and write how many letters present in each. So you just take a sheet and write all your family numbers name and calculate the how many letters present in each name. For example, I am Devi. In my name there are 4 letters are present. So like that you have to calculate and write. Okay, thank you children. I hope you all understand this concept very well. We will meet again in next video. See you. Take care.